Friend, today I want to explain to you one topic related with the chapter 2, that is long divisible method. This is the important topic related with the 9th standard and 10th standard also. So now our topic is related with the long divisible method. So topic is remainder theorem. But before we start the remainder theorem, we have to go for the 8th standard, that is how we can divide polynomial divided by polynomial. One of the polynomial divided by another polynomial, that we have to start today. So first of all, one of the polynomial is given at here, again divided. So one polynomial, that is 2x cube plus x square plus x divided by x. So 2x cube divided by x plus x square divided by x plus x divided by x. So answer is 2x square plus x plus 1. But when it should be long, means it is more than, here only one monomial is there, but here binomial, trinomial is there, then how we can divide? So that way we have to now start it here. So important is topic is long divisible method. Today we want to discuss related with the long divisible method. So it is in 10th standard also. What is the topic? Long divisible method. So first sum related with the long. 3 sums we have to anyhow complete. First sum, long divisible method. So what is the first step to complete this or start? How we have to start? First step. First we have to take the 3x square and divide it by x. You will get answer 3x. That is our first step. Monomial divided by monomial. 3x square divided by x we have to write. So we can get answer 3x, that we have to write at here. Now in bracket 3x, in bracket again I have to write x plus 1. Now if we open this bracket, then we can get answer at here, that is 3x square plus 3x. 3x square plus 3x. So answer is 3x square plus. Now we have to change the sign, that is here again sign change, here again sign change. Here always answer is 0. Again plus minus, now sign change. So minus 3x plus x, so minus 2x. Again now monomial minus 2x divided by x. So we can get minus 2. Always remember. So I have to write minus 2 at here. Again in bracket I have to write x plus 1. If you open the bracket, we can get 2x minus 2. Even here minus 1 we have to put at here, niche. So minus 2x minus 1. Again minus 2x minus 2, sign change. Again 0. Remainder is 1. So here we have get, that is called quotient, that is called Q. Here we have get, that is called R. 3 important questions related with it, or 3 examples are at here. So now we have to learn anyhow this. What is the meaning of dividend? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Divisor means here it is x plus 1, it is called divisor. And 3x minus 2, it is called quotient. And plus 1 is our remainder. So we have to remember that p of x is equal to polynomial p of x is equal to q of x multiplied by g of x plus r of x. Always remember. Now one more example related long divisible method. So here it is most important because it is long. What is the first step again? Monomial divided by monomial. So I have to write 3x the power 4 divided by x. So we can get answer 3x the power 3. So 3x the power 3. Again in bracket I have to write x minus 1. Now we have to open this bracket. So 3x the power 4, here we have got. Again 3x cube multiply by minus 1, minus 3x cube. So 3x the power 4 minus 3x cube. Now sign change, so here we can get answer 0. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube minus x cube. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, that is minus x cube. So we have to write minus x cube. So here minus 3x we have to write. We have to make downward minus 3x, नीचे लेने का minus 1. Now who is our now monomial first term, that is minus x cube divided by x. So answer is minus x square. So here minus x square is written. Now in bracket I have to write x minus 1. Open it. You have to open it. You will get minus x cube plus x square. Now sign change, plus minus. We can get 0. We cannot simplify this because it is minus 3x. Here it is plus x square. We cannot simplify because why? Here it is minus 3x. Here power is 1. Here power is 2. So we have to just simplify as it is. We have to put. That is why minus x square we have to put. Minus 3x we have to make downward add here again. Again minus 1 we have to make downward. Now x square minus 3x minus 1. Again minus x square divided by x. So we can get minus x. So that is why minus x is written at here. Now minus x, again minus x in bracket, what I have to write? X minus 1. Now if you open the bracket, we can get minus x square minus x into 1, but minus minus plus. So here we can get 0. Minus 3x minus x. Minus 3x minus x. Minus minus plus. So minus 4x minus 1. Again now minus 4x monomial divided by again x. We can get minus 4. So here minus 4 is written. Now again minus 4 in bracket, what we have to write? X minus 1. Now open the bracket, we can get minus 4x minus minus plus 4. Again we sign change, answer is 0. Sign change always. So minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. So these type of long divisible method sums are most important. We ask in 10th board also. 10th में भी वो exam में आता है. So you have to learn anyhow or you have to understand anyhow. Again I repeat this. Monomial divided by monomial first term. 3x the power 4 divided by x. We can get 3x cube. In bracket I have to write x minus 1. Open the bracket, you will get first term. Afterward again we have simplified this. We can get minus x cube. Again minus x cube divided by x. We can get minus x square. Again in bracket I have to write x minus 1. Again open the bracket, write it here. Same 4 steps we have to do. Every time here answer is 0, here 0, here 0 and here 0. And last remainder is minus 5, that is over remainder, or we can say r of x. And here we can get, it is called q of x. Here it is called q of x. Compulsory you have to write in your rough book these two sums. Example 7, example 6. Now one more sum related with it. So I think you have to write every time whatever I am doing it here. Always write. This is not given you such type of way that I am explaining it here is not given in your text. Just anyhow you have to remember it proper way. Now one new method related to find out shortcut. It is long divisible method. Now question is just find remainder. If I want to find out remainder, here remainder is minus 5. If I want to get directly remainder, what I have to do? Because x minus 1 is divided by this polynomial here. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x equal to 1. What you have to put in P of x, if you will put x equal to 1, we can get answer 5. Now we check that 3 in bracket I have to write 1 the power 4 minus 4 1 the power 3 minus 3 bracket again 1 minus 1. So 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. So these are all the negatives. So minus 8 plus 3. So we can get minus 5. So if directly remainder, if you want to find out directly remainder, you have to put the opposite sign of dividend. So x minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 1. So it is find out directly remainder, that is a way. But you have to find out the question, you have to do it by long divisible method. One more sum related with it. Again, it is also long divisible method. X the power 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So again, first step is x the power 3 divided by x. So I have get x square. Again in bracket I have to write x plus 1. Now open the bracket, we can get a minus x cube. Here it is plus x cube minus plus x square plus x cube plus x square. But we have to change the sign, that is minus minus. Here it is 0. Now we cannot simplify this plus 1 plus x square. We cannot simplify it. So we have to put minus x square as it is and plus 1 at here. Again minus x square divided by x. We can get minus x. So we have to put minus x here. Again in bracket what I have to write? X plus 1. Now open this. We can get minus x square minus x. So here it is minus x square minus it. Again sign change. Here it is 0. So plus x and plus 1. Again x divided by x. We can get 1, that we have to write it here. So x square, that is at here, minus x, that is at here, and plus 1, that is at here. And remainder is 0 because answer is 0. So in this also we have to find out directly remainder. We can get x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 I have to put in P of x. So minus 1 the power 3 plus 1. So minus 1 the power 3 minus 1 plus 1. Answer is 0. So 3 important sum related with the long divisible method. Again I am explaining properly what is the main monomial divided by monomial or first term divided by first term. So anyhow you have to write these when the sum I am explaining, you have to write in your rough book and you have to show me in your class room, that is already in Google. So mostly you are not too much active. Now start active because in COVID-19 we have to go same way. हम लोग यही वे से पढ़ने का चालू रहेगा. तो what we have to do? Anyhow we have to go with this way and you have to complete in your fair book. So exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2. Again remember, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by question plus remainder. So 3 long divisible sum I am explaining it here. 3 long divisible sum I explain it here. So these are all the steps for if you want to understand properly. So one steps are given at here, but always remember first term here given, first term of dividend, first term of divisor. Always remember it. That way if you will do every time you have understand first term of dividend, first term of divisor, first term of dividend, first term of divisor. That way if you will go, then you will do it. Again first term of dividend, first term of divisor, you will get 3x cube. First term of dividend, first term of divisor, you can get minus x square. First term of dividend by first term of divisor, you will get minus x. first term of dividend divided by divisor first term, you will get minus 4. So 3 sums I have explaining, and this is the third sum. 3 sums, 6, example 6, 7 and 8, that you have to write in your rough book and you have to show me in a classwork. And another is shortcut method to find out Dirichlet remainder. When x minus 1, then you have to put x equal to 1. So if you will put x equal to 1 at here, we can get 2. It is for checking purpose that if answer is 0, then we can say it is a factor of the given polynomial. If answer is 0, we can say it is a factor of given polynomial. See here, t2 plus 1 is equal to 0, so t is equal to minus 1 by 2. If I will put minus 1 by 2, I will get answer 0. So obtaining remainder, if we will get answer 0 a remainder, we can say that 2t plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So exercise 2.3, exercise 2.1 already we have yesterday given to you in homework. You have to submit in the classroom. Here exercise 2.3 question number 1, 2 and 3. Here find out the remainder divided by. So you have to do it by long divisible method. So if you have doubt, you can WhatsApp in to me. So exercise 2.1, exercise 2.2 and exercise 2.3. 3 exercise already we have complete. You have to complete in your fair book. So when we open the school, on that time we can check easily.